scared me.
Well, hi everybody. It's a busy day today because it's my grandson's birthday. And of course we have, even though it's pretty dark, but kids playing PlayStation and kids playing Lego and other kids just sitting on the couch watching PlayStation. And I'll take you outside and you will meet the birthday boy too today. So turn you around and here we go. Oh, sorry.
Does it have like
So there's Mum. Well, you all know Taylor anyway. So Mum of the birthday boy. And he's the birthday boy. He's the birthday boy. Did you think he knows that he's on the camera? Are you on the camera?
Say hi, guys.
So yep, Chayse isn't actually one today, but he's one in a couple of days. So
Two.
he's one.
I mean, 2 more days.
So in a couple of days. What's a couple of days, Sean? Two. And of course, Sean, you've seen before on the videos. Yeah. And friends, Danny, who I've known since she was 14 years old. She used to babysit Taylor. So that's a long time ago because Taylor's now
43.
yeah, there you go, Danny doesn't mind saying 43. And this is Danny's daughter Piper.
Guys, I have
We were there for the birth.
Piper Ford, yeah.
Okay.
Follow her on YouTube.
I need to get
Okay.
200 subscribers.
Alrighty, okay. So yeah, was there for this little one being brought into the world. And this is the other daughter, Brittany.
17 years old.
Yeah, she would like. Chrissy, who turns herself away, and I don't know why, because she's such an attractive individual. And that's Shana's mum there. They've seen you holding Jack. So, and Ty is Brittany, and Declan's inside, and Brittany's dad, and this is Drew, and it's Chayse's dad. So, anyway, a little bit of the party that we've got going. We've still got another lot of people to come today. So we're just getting the food going and started, and of course the kids want to see a snake, so don't know who I'm going to bring out, but I will figure that out a little bit later, and I'll flip the camera on then. So I'll be back later, guys. She is a spotted python, but Apani has been bred to have no spots. So her mum and dad had no spots. But I have another snake in there, a python, that is a spotted python, and she has got spots. So I'll show you mine so you can see the difference that, yeah, Apani doesn't have any. And what they do is they breed them to lessen the spots. And you get patternless spotted python. So that is what she is. And Apani is probably about 15 months old. So they're not, she's still little, but she'll only end up being about 4 foot. And probably about that fat.
Solomon was like
Solomon was a children's python.
Yes.
a children's python.
Well, children's pythons really don't get any bigger than spotted. So you can have a little pat, but we
Wash your hands with the gel.
very gentle with
This one.
Yeah? She wants to lick you on the nose.
She's putting her head down.
You can see his eye.
She's in little, isn't she? What do those ones eat? Ones that are that little?
They just eat little pinky rats.
They can still eat.
Yeah. Right from
Like little rats.
little. Like very gentle, Jack.
That's what you have to
They're not like a dog that you can go pat, 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 pat or anything. You have to be very gentle with them.
Snake.
Yeah,
Stop the baby.
she's a baby. Well, for me, she's a baby.
Toddler.
She's, yep,
She's like a toddler.
she's a girl. This one,
So cute. There we go.
Jill.
Oh my god.
How does that feel?
Feels weird. Hello there, camera.
It doesn't matter how big or little, they like to explore and they like to climb. Especially Apani.
I'm just scared of biting snakes, that's why.
Doesn't have any reason to bite you.
She's not venomous.
No? They are.
Nana wouldn't keep a venomous snake.
No. Shana, keep still.
Sorry.
Sorry. She just stuck her head.
Yeah, back under again. He's trying to figure out a way to...
Soon as we went inside, like she wasn't there, and then I'm looking at Nan and speaking to Nan, and then 2 seconds later, I look, and she's right there at the window.
boys feel like really outnumbered.
She just knows her mum. Even snakes know their mums.
Oh, that's a nice cat.
Look at the camera.
No, it's been on camera heaps.
I'm like me.
Yeah.
Is it ready? Make sure there's no wet on your hands.
Squab, squab, squab,
Go like this.
And the
Go
top,
like that.
top to your hand. That's boy.
We walk, quite often we walk in between food works and Everlands, and every day this week there's food out the front.
Now, hold it.
Get the whole water.
Can I hold it?
After.
Want me to take over?
Jack?
No, Piper is after. When I'm holding it.
Oh, you made a love heart.
She did make a love
For
heart.
me.
Yeah.
No, not just for you, kid. You made a love heart for me. Yummy!
Okay, me next. It's like, no, Mom, no. Don't let me with this other human. That's I've only known for a couple of days. I mean weeks. A week.
Tell the truth, you set it on fire. Yeah, we did. Yeah.
There you go.
Mom.
Well, you never were gonna drink. Just patting it. He's so cute. Why did he give me a love heart?
That's lovely, Jack.
Maybe because he likes my shirt.
Maybe she does.
Maybe her favorite color is orange.
Could be. Could be.
Maybe she'll bite everyone, but not
She won't bite.
Yeah, those ones are
Dad.
Can I video?
No.
Can I do a video?
No, darling.
I won't
Big
drop it.
little.
He keeps getting ice out of there.
Okay, come again.
Does that matter? No.
Sorry, Kay.
So,
You have to edit my bum out that way.
no, I moved,
Ain't
but I
nobody
think
wants
I
to see that.
No, I'm leaving her big butt. I like big butts and I cannot lie.
What? Wait, what?
That.
That's huge candle.
I know it's dark, but they decided to sit in the dark.
Oh, he wants a foot in it.
So,
To put his foot in there.
Cake Smash is Tuesday.
I think so.
Cake Smash is Tuesday.
okay.
I was sitting on this.
Ready?
Ready?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chayse. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray! 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 It's too much.
It's a little bit too much.
It's okay, Bob. Okay, Bob. Okay, Bob.
Sensory overload.
Okay, Bob.
That's all good, Papa.
Yeah?
Nice.
Cake makes it all good.